So guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am in my backyard. It's early in the morning and the birds are eating all the mulberries, so I come to get some. So here is a mulberry, and the entire side over here is full with mulberries. So I'm going to pick some mulberry and put them in this bowl. So I'll get back to you and show you what I've picked when I'm finished. As I'll show you how I pick them. I use a scissors to cut them like this. And then it drops into here. So guys, I was over that side picking mulberry. Now I'm moving to this side, and there's a lot on this side. So let's keep rolling. And oh my god, there is a whole lot in here. Look in here, guys. Look at these. So I'll pick inside this part. Oh my goodness. It's day 2 because it takes time to pick these mulberry. Tony is helping me to get some mulberry. He's around there.
Around the mulberry tree.
Yeah, let me show you though.
Around and around the mulberry. That's you, nursery.
Let me see. What? Oh, so see, he's doing the same thing that I do.
Yeah, so they get my fingers all stained. Some of them just fall off when you tap it. Just go underneath and tap and they fall in. Because they're ripe as.
Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna pick one and eat it. Guys, these are sweet, very sweet. This is why the birds are in these trees every day.
Yeah, yeah. Don't say I never give you flowers.
Thank you. Ooh. So guys, I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna make this drink. Oh, there's a nice little bird in the tree. So guys, this is what I get so far. I am going to pick some more and then I'm going to wash them because the birds are having a go at them. Some blackbirds. I'm sure you can hear the chirping in the background. So guys, let me show you how big this tree is. It's from one side to the other side. Now that's the mulberry tree. So we have a whole lot of mulberry on this tree. So guys, here are my mulberries that I picked from my backyard, and I've washed them and had them in the fridge for a little while, so they are cool and nice. So I'm gonna get into my juicing. So guys, let's get into this video. So guys, mulberry has a lot of benefits. It improves your digestive health and control your blood sugar level, reduce the risk of cancer, improve blood circulation. So these are what I got from my garden. So guys, I'm going to start by putting them in the juicer. So guys, I'm going to start by putting some mulberry in. So guys, here I'm getting ready to put some of my mulberry in my cooling juicer. So guys, look how fresh they are, organic, picked from my tree in my backyard, and they are very sweet. I've learned that for hundreds of years the mulberry has been part of a traditional Chinese medicine as a remedy that they use against cancer. So this is good. And guys, mulberry also produce collagen, which is good for the skin and strengthening tissues in our bodies. On the other hand, vitamin K is in mulberry also, and that helps with blood clotting. So you see that mulberry has a lot of benefits. Look how this mulberry look at this in my hand, how beautiful and juicy it looks. So guys, I'm gonna continue to load up my juicer with mulberry, and the trash that is coming out at the side is very soft, and I am going to use them to make smoothie. Some people dry them and use them to make tea, so I think I'm going to try that in the next video. So guys, mulberry is also good for weight loss. The body needs dietary fiber to facilitate digestion, which mulberry provides in abundance. So listen to that, guys. And guys, did you know that mulberry helps with circulation also? It is so good. So with the circulation, it controls the blood pressure and remove toxins from the body. So this drink is a must, guys, is a must. It helps to also help the flow of blood, guys, to the heart and to different areas of the body. So I hope everyone will try this mulberry drink. Look out for the mulberry, or if you have a mulberry tree at home, don't hesitate to try this drink. All you need to do is just add some lemon to it or a lime to it when you are making the juice. You don't need to add any sugar, because I do not put sugar in my juice. It's just all natural. So guys, here I'm gonna add my lemon, just to give the juice a little tangy taste. So this juice looks like grape juice. It is very dark, so you can hardly see it in the juicer. As you see the trash coming out of the side, it's from the lemon, guys. So sorry about that, my hand just bounced my tripod stand. So guys, I know I'm going to enjoy this drink, and as I said before, I'm going to use those mulberry. It's not trash, it's just sap, and it's very soft and sweet. I'm going to use them and make some smoothie, guys. So guys, I'm almost at the end now, so let's let this juice out. So guys, I'm gonna let my juice out now. Wow, look how rich that is, guys. So guys, I'm gonna turn on my juicer and pump the rest of the juice out. I know I'm going to enjoy this drink. So guys, I'm gonna continue making my juice. I have this much leave in my bowl, so I'm gonna be loading up my juicer again. So guys, this is my organic mulberry drink straight from my backyard. So guys, it's just a small amount leave to come out, so I'm just gonna get this out now. Look how rich this is. This is a very good brain fruit. Anything to do with Alzheimer's and those things, anything that is purple, dark fruits like this is very good. So guys, let's get into the serving of this drink. So guys, I went outside for just a little brunch, and I'm gonna just put some of the mulberry just around like this. So now I'm gonna be pouring out my drink. No sugar guys, straight, and the drink is cool, so I'm not gonna put any ice in there. However, if anybody wants to put ice in theirs, they can do it. So this is the end of the video guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend. See you in the next video, and hope you guys will try out the mulberry drink. Subscribe to this channel for more guys. See you in the next video. Have a lovely weekend. Bye for now.